back here with another video. So today I'm actually going to be telling you guys why I have actually not been posting any motorcycle content on this channel. So one is actually because I've actually had finals at school this week. Number two, I've been caught up in wrestling practice every day after school. And three, the weather has been super crappy where I live. Tomorrow I was actually supposed to go get some motorcycle content to actually post on here for you guys, but it's supposed to be raining tomorrow and super crappy outside, so I hope I will get it this weekend for you guys. So since I'm actually not going to be posting any motorcycle content for a while, I thought I'd roll some pictures for you guys of the rides we've actually done. So I hope you guys enjoy this and have a very Merry Christmas, stay safe, and Happy Holidays. Thank you for watching.